Tess was just there.
Oh, you know what? I wasn't even recording. I pulled hello. All right, Moby, it looks like the road's opening up. Police and fire everywhere. Hold that as hand. As they finish up the clearing of the road from the snapped tree that broke in half. A huge tree. All right, you know what? It's time to go. Snow is falling on Daddy's head, along with sticks. Come on, little boy, head inside. Go to Mama. Go on, little boy. Come on, little boy. Come on, Sabati.
Anna, with my shoes, you can go anywhere.
Yeah, that's right, Mopey. These are fake Dutch clogs. All right. How's Ello doing? Ello looks perplexed. This could be one of her first snowstorms. All right, Mopey, the dump trucks are leaving. Or dump truck loaders. And traffic is flowing once again on Hillside Avenue.
And a huge branch fell next to Elvis.
Very exciting. Very, very exciting. Okay, climb Opie. Say goodbye. Turn around and say goodbye. Sebastian, this way. Bye-bye. All right, we're going to have to go see the Tree Master now. Do you want to go see the Tree Master?